Google Gemini just can't get it right for me. I'm trying to explore the Google Workspace integration and I'm having some real problems. Let me tell you how Gemini has failed me one more time, and let me know if you think it's unreasonable that Google is still getting this wrong.
So here's a big problem I have with Gemini. I'm looking for a document with a partnership with a particular company, and I know that we're launching a special plan for our cloud concierge with this company, and we're calling it Concierge Premium. Now, I don't know exactly where that document is that has the information on the plan, but I know there's a document somewhere in my Google Drive, and it was created sometime in the last couple of months. So I go to Gemini and I try and search for the document, and I open it up and I say, hey, tell me about where I've mentioned Concierge Premium. Bit of a typo, I was dictating and it didn't work. And I did @Drive, so it mentioned Google Drive, and therefore it should search my Google Drive. Now, it did search my Google Workspace and it searched my documents, but it said I couldn't find any mentions of Concierge Premium in your Drive. Now, that does sound strange. It did find some emails that we had sent a company or customers of a company that we had acquired that has nothing to do with Concierge Premium. That says Concierge Basic. That's a different plan. So I thought, that's strange because I'm sure there is a document that includes the words Concierge Premium. Okay, so let's keep scrolling down. I said, well, could you look everywhere and specifically look for documents that mention this company name that we're partnering with? And so it shows me a bunch of meetings that we were talking with that company, but those documents and transcripts, it didn't specifically highlight anywhere that premium plan was in a document. I'm looking for it in a document. I don't want a transcript of a meeting where I talked about the document. I'll have a document. Okay, so I thought, right, I'll try it again. Let me give it some more information. There should be some spreadsheets that have different plans outlined. Maybe the word premium is in a cell by itself. I thought, okay, maybe that's where it might be. And then Gemini tells me it doesn't have the ability to access external websites or specific files. What is going on here, including Google Drive? What? It's literally supposed to be searching my Google Drive. Do I have to retell it to search my Google Drive every time I put an entry in? This seems really backwards. So I thought, okay, I'll try again. Hey, search my @Google Drive. And it again found the wrong documents. It found another transcript and it found general information about documents, but nothing relating to premium. And I thought, well, this is crazy. Something's wrong here. Let me go into my Google Drive and see if I can find the document. I open up my Google Drive. I run a search for company name, Concierge Premium. And what do you know? The first document that appears is the document that I need. And it mentions Google Workspace Premium support. What is going on, Google? This is crazy. Every time I go to use Gemini, I seem to have this challenge. I've been using GPT now for many months. I used Gemini for half a year and I tried to make it work. And so many times it let me down, just in little ways like this that made it just hard to try and use, even in my endeavors to promote Gemini to our customers, even in my endeavors as a Google guy to show you the best bits of Gemini. Every time I try and use it, it just has this little second fiddle feeling that it's not quite the product that I want it to be. And every time it lets me down like this, it's just a little bit of my trust that's broken with my faith in Gemini.
I really want Gemini to work, and I want it to be a product that I can recommend to the audience on this channel and to my customers. But so many times I just feel like it's not quite there yet. If you think there's something I'm missing with Gemini, let me know in the comments where is it useful for you, because I want to find those bits of value so I can make it my strong recommendation for you to go out and get it when that time comes. Until then, I'm not yet a fan of Gemini. We're still in testing, but we're not yet rolling it out to all of our team. Am I out of line here? Am I expecting too much? Let me know in the comments what your experience with Gemini is, and hopefully someone from Google will see this and make the changes that need to happen to make this the great product that it can be.